In this video, we're going to cover how to give somebody access into your Facebook Ads Manager account. First thing they need to do is they need to sign into their Facebook account with whatever Facebook account they use to manage their existing Facebook ads. Then you are going to go to the Ads Manager settings. And you can follow this long URL here, or you can click the link that is in the video description or in the post that this has been embedded to. Then you're going to go here where it says Add Account Roles, and you're going to click Add People. Okay, you're going to put in they must be a friend of yours on Facebook. If they are not a friend of yours, you cannot add them to your account. So if they are not a friend of yours, you must send them a friend request. They must accept it, then come back here. Then you can go in and you can start typing in the person's name. They will show up. Pick the role you want them to have. There are 3 different levels: an admin, an advertiser, and an analyst. An admin is somebody who can do absolutely anything on your account. They can create, edit, view ads, access reports, edit payment methods, and manage admin permissions. Typically, we recommend only giving somebody full admin rights if they work directly for you on your team or you trust them implicitly. For most people, you're going to add them as an ad account advertiser. And this is for typically recommended for people who are third-party people or people on your team where you don't want them to have full admin privileges to add and remove people from your account, or to be able to add and remove payment methods. So this is a good one. And then the final one is for analyst. This might be one that you give people, and this is for people who can view ads and access reports, but they can't edit anything. This might be a good level to give somebody, like if you're debating to have a new person come in and oversee your Facebook advertising, you might make them an analyst first so they can analyze things, and then if you hire them, then you can bump them up to an advertiser. Go ahead and click confirm. They will get a Facebook notification saying they have been added, and they will immediately be able to go into Facebook Ads Manager and do whatever their permission level allows them to do.